If you're looking for the best NLP courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. Natural language processing, or NLP, is one of the most important fields in artificial intelligence, powering tools like ChatGPT, AI search, translation, chatbots, and virtual assistants. Today, we're reviewing the top 3 NLP courses on Coursera based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Gen AI Foundational Models for NLP and Language Understanding by IBM. This intermediate-level course introduces large language models, embeddings, PyTorch, transfer learning, and modern NLP concepts. It's a great option if you already know the basics of AI and want to understand how today's language models work while earning a certificate from IBM. At number 2 is Natural Language Processing on Google Cloud. This advanced course teaches how to build NLP applications using Google Cloud technologies. You'll work with TensorFlow, language models, embeddings, and cloud-based AI services, making it an excellent choice for developers who want practical, enterprise-level NLP skills. Taking the number 1 spot is the Natural Language Processing Specialization by DeepLearning.AI. With a strong 4.6-star rating and thousands of learner reviews, it's widely regarded as one of the best NLP programs on Coursera. You'll learn text classification, word embeddings, sequence models, attention mechanisms, transformers, and modern NLP techniques through hands-on assignments using TensorFlow. If you're serious about building a career in AI or machine learning, this is the program to choose. If you're planning to complete more than one NLP course, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about learning natural language processing in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you access to world-class AI education while helping you save money. If you found this review helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.